What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and for today's video we got a whole bunch of very unique folding knife. What I mean by unique, very interesting folding mechanism, not just a simple stuff. So let's see what this one's all about. Also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Okay, let's get to the video. I actually asked on Facebook for people to suggest what products and knives I should buy, because it's really hard to look for ideas. And guess what, one of the comments was I should buy this one. So let's see what this thing is all about, because that's so awesome whenever people suggest me the products to put to the test. Except the packaging is really thick. How am I supposed to take it apart? Gosh. Okay, what's so special about this knife? As you can see, there is actual an arm or a lever, whatever you want to call it. So this is nice, very unique, and there's also a buck lock. So you press it right here, it will release the knife, and this lever will go up or down, whatever, depends the way you look at it. It locks all the way, that's cool, a little bit wiggly here. But again, I still love this knife because it's such a unique mechanism. Boom, there's a pretty heavy lever, and to close it all you have to do is just press it and lock it. So just hold it with one hand like that and boom, flip it out. So unique. And again, to close it, just press it like that, the arm will reset. Again, there is a brand of it, beautiful knife, a very nice handle, quite sharp edges, very uncomfortable because there's a whole bunch of things over here, but again, I still love it and put it into my collection for very strange and unique folding knives. Love it. Tiny, but handle is almost like 3-finger handle for me. Depends how big your hands are. So folding it 2 hands for sure. Check this out one more time. I'm gonna do it slowly. Let's see what happens. You see how it's lifting it up and pushing it out. Beautiful. But again, look all of these bumps. Whenever you're holding it, it is quite uncomfortable. And the knife handle is really thick. But again, for what it is, I love it. What's make it special is this arm. Check this out. You see how they set it? Beautiful. Next knife is also very unique fold. Check this out. It has a button and it's gonna go in and out, and it is much bigger knife. So probably a lot better knife. Let's start to open it. Okay, this is also much better packaging over here for sure. Okay, that's good. Oh yeah, pretty good clip. Let's take this out. You see the folding mechanism. How do we unfold it? Oh, nice. Check this out. There's a finger to where you close it, move your finger away, and it's a one-handed fold. But to unfold, you see, all we have to do is just push it forward, from what I understand. I love that there is a little dent over here, or like bump, I would say, to where I can hold it to that and push the knife forward. That actually helps a lot. Wow, such a simple thing, but it actually very smart. And again, to fold it, close it like that. Whoops, obviously don't drop it. A little bit of practice helps. Doesn't open it super fast. Also this pin side here, I guess so that way it's easier to open it. A bit wiggly, but that's okay. Look at this blade. Beautiful big blade over here. Very satisfying knife. I like that a lot. I feel like you kind of gotta turn it I feel like you kind of gotta push it in and out this way. You can just push it up. Yep, just like that. You see how it opens up slowly, and you see how it resets it by itself. Boom. Check this out. You see how whenever we close it, it's gonna go back inside there. Okay, a couple more views so that way you see what's happening. Beautiful. And I love this thumb rest over here, all the edges, gonna be very comfortable working in a camp. Okay, one-handed knife for sure. I'm gonna try to open it quickly. Get stuck after the first phase, up and down like that. So not super fast, but still super nice. I feel like I'm getting tired, so there's a little bit of a resistance to it for sure. So if you're gonna open it back and forth a lot, you're going to get tired and actually digress, but after a while, once you feel that mechanism, it will be like a second nature. It'll be really fast. But guess what? My thumb is really tired now, it hurts. But yeah, obviously you won't be opening and closing it that often once you carry it every day. Beautiful, never seen a folding knife like that. That is one of a kind, so it is thumbs up for me. There's a Cutter Mini. I feel like I had similar design before I have put to the test, but that was a lot more expensive one. This one is a bit cheaper. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. Appreciate easy to open package, that's for sure, especially with the knives. Don't want to cut myself. Boom. That first one was ridiculously hard to open. Anyways, so yeah, simple locking mechanism, pretty nice over here. So you just push it, close it, just don't forget to move your finger away. And this right here, whoa, that was awesome. So simple, check this out. It's actually a lot easier than the other knife to flip over, but again, that is a lot of a smaller knife, because with bigger knife, bigger leverage, more like power you have to push with your finger. But also this thing does not wiggle, does not spin, so it's a little bit different. And you see how it's going to go if you do it slowly. So cool. One more time, I'm gonna just open it right here so you guys can see what's happening under my thumb, and it's gonna lock in over here. Beautiful. That is so cool. I love this, some kind of, I don't know, plastic material, but I'm sure it's not plastic, it's some kind of probably composite or imitation of plastic. Very nice grip. That knife is really good. I would carry this every day. There is a burn of it. I really like this skinny end over here. This is non-sharp and it's pretty sharp over here. And these knives are pretty affordable. I think they're all under $50, maybe even under $40. So that is super cool. And yeah, so let me grab it and open it real quick. You see, without even thinking, and it's very nice quality knife, this one especially. Wow, boom. After lots of practice, probably will be second nature. Will flip out quickly. Boom, boom. Wow, you can really flick it and give it some kick. Boom, wow, that is so cool. If you hold it tight, that's nice. Again, one-handed knife, you can open it with the right hand. Definitely not so much left-handed. I guess you'd figure it out how to open it with the pointy finger right here. Yeah, that's not gonna be comfortable and you won't be able to do it like that. So yeah, make sure if you're left-handed, learn how to open it with the right hand or get yourself a lefty. Beautiful. Look at that. I feel like this one doesn't even need a practice. Yeah, that is a really nice knife. And there is a little, I guess, OP you can put to like a keychain or something, hang it somewhere. Beautiful. There is another one, unique blade, and there's actual telling you how it works and the mechanism inside of it, like a little sneak peek. I really like that. Okay, let's open it safely. Probably gonna go from this side actually. Let's do it right here. Also, I'm trying to do it careful and not to scratch up the blade or the actual holder. Yeah, this is way better knife packaging. They just fall out pretty good. First of all, let's look at this. Yeah, beautiful knife. I love this curve and up and down, kind of wavy. Let's feel it. Oh yeah, very, very comfortable. Check this out. So yeah, wanna like do carving, chopping, whatever. There's a brand of it, but you saw it on the packaging. Yeah, okay. How do we close it? Ooh, this is nice. Okay, there's a flipper here too. Okay, this is the locking mechanism. Wow, look how it's like interesting flipping right here. No way, yeah, I feel it that there is an arm in here, that's for sure. You see how this right here kind of doesn't feel like it's all together. No, this is all one blade, but I definitely feel the arm inside of it, probably on this side. That is so cool. Yeah, again, this is a right-handed knife. So the simplest way to open it is just flip it like that, one more time, and close it. The simplest way, kind of do it with two hands. Just grab it like that and help it out carefully. So this is super easy, and it feels like there's some kind of arm in there that is definitely helps out, kick it out. That's why it's not even flying out that quickly unless you flick it faster. But yeah, you can hear the mechanism working in there, clicking. But yeah, also another way to open it and close it, check this out. I guess you push it down. All you have to do is just hold it down and it will close by gravity. Every time. As long as you hold it down like that, it will fall. You do have to have a good push to it as well. Because if you're holding it up like that, let's see what happens. We're holding it up. Oh, sometimes if you kick it hard enough, it will go down. You see, but it most of the time will get stuck. And I'm even using two hands. So yeah, you can just kick it hard enough and it will come off open all the way. Okay, that's cool. So you really have to kick it pretty good. But what about closing it? Closing it doesn't work as much. Okay, all you have to do is kick it really hard. And that way it's not gravity operated. Okay, that's good to know. So instead of just pulling on it, you see, it's not every time if you try to pull on it. It gets stuck over here. So you want to do kind of flick it. I'll tell you what, if you practice a lot, look at my skin on the nail. It's kind of giving me a blister. I'm tired now. But makes sense, right? If you flick it really good, it will close it. But again, you can open it this way too. So multiple way to open it and close it. And obviously you can just do it with two hands, like that too. So 3 ways to open it and close. Very nice knife. I really like it a lot. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? That is so cool. Got it here, dive knife. Let's see what this one is all about. This one is pretty unique. Okay, you got it here, straps and a sheath, I think it's called. And how do we open it? Oh wow, that is right away unique. You got it here like a little clip. You know what I'm talking about, right? That is really cool. Never seen clicker like that. And guess what, it is part of the actual knife. And again, you got it here regular pretty dull knife, but I guess meant to be for diving. Don't need to be super sharp maybe. Okay, there's a serrated side and it opens up right here. Okay, you see it? You can open it up and you have another like a knife over here. This one is a lot sharper and it's like little scissors, like a miniature scissors over here. That's kind of unique. I never seen a knife like that. Also there's a rope cutter, as you can see. You see it's quite sharp, so if you need to cut off a rope, maybe pulling you down something, or you need to release something. And there's a little, I don't know, screw of some sort to just hold together the knife, like put it on a rope so that way it does not sink. And boom, because a lot of times you can take it off and maybe you drop it, let go, it will sink. So if you connect it to your body somewhere on a rope, that way you're not gonna sink it. That is pretty unique knife here for sure. What do you guys think? Easy to take it off, kind of easy unfold, and there you go, scissors, knife. Let's try to cut up something, see how well it works. There's these stubborn packagings. Not bad, it's cutting it. So yeah, very, very sharp knife over here. How to get through the packaging, and a big knife on the other side. Yeah, that is super cool.